What's up guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for being here. Today I'm gonna show you the trade recap of 6/18, which is today. I also recorded the video of me executing the trade and I'll show you what I did. Anyway, it was kind of a break-even trade, and I'll show you yesterday's trading as well. And what happened with that. Yesterday I hit my personal daily loss and I will show you why I did that. So let's start with today's trade. First of all, we were trading all-time high, so we were so high and we were trying to respect bullish trend and bullish PDA arrays. So I was trying to long the market. News came at 7:30 my time and we made a wick and we dumped down, and we kept going lower and lower. So here's today's trade, guys. As I said, I was bullish and this was the bearish fair value gap on the top here, the green box, and on 4 accounts I went in for that long setup. It appeared first on the 30 seconds, and let me tell you guys, today was very crazy. I'll tell you what I did right now, so just keep watching. This is crazy. But I actually had conviction that we were going up. That's why I did what I'm going to show you now. So I got along here. I was targeting the CE of the wick, of the news wick, and I was trying to take 3 contracts here, and look what the market will do right now. And it goes right against me right there. All right, stop here. So my personal daily loss is 250, as you know. Trying to manage my risk, not trying to over leverage. I'll give myself 1 point for that. That's really awesome. That's amazing for not trying to over leverage whenever it went down against me, and trying to do DCA, or cost dollar averaging, and averaging in the trade to not lose more money, but it's actually pretty bad. You're not supposed to do that. So I'm happy with myself that I did not go do that and try to average in the trade. As you can see, the trade went against me 240 bucks. 240 bucks. Why did I not close the trade? Because I just gave up on the personal daily loss and I accepted the defeat. I accepted the loss. Now look what the market will do right now. It will just reject from that rejection block and go up again. And this is why I lift it with no stop loss, because I had a conviction that we're supposed to be going up there. I was actually supposed to put it at break even once we took this high on the 1 minute, and I didn't. It's my mistake, my fault, but I actually lifted and I accepted the loss because I was like, there's like I'm negative 240 right now. It's $10 more or $20 more to go, and it will breach my, or I will hit my personal daily loss. So I actually lifted because I had the conviction that we were supposed to be trading higher. And what will end up happening is that we will reject from this rejection block and we'll send the price up again. And this is like really crazy, guys. I wasn't expecting that, but I had the conviction that we're going higher, but not necessary to go up now. But we ended up rejecting from this rejection block and sending the price all the way up again. And I am really blessed to see that, and I didn't really hit my personal daily loss today, so I'm really happy to see the market play in my favor for once, honestly. So yeah, we had a big momentum move up, push the price higher, and I was actually looking for the next speed bump in that trade to be broken, is that bearish fair value gap. Once we break this bearish fair value gap, I was going to be relieved, but we ended up not pushing through and not breaking it. And as you can see in this trade, we kept trying to go for that bearish fair value gap and rejecting from it multiple times. And for my safe target, I had 4 contracts on this high, the high inside of a bearish fair value gap, and I was gonna leave 1 runner to the CE of the Newsweek, and of course we did not go that far. So once we were rejecting from this bearish fair value gap, I saw this down close candle come and retrace to that order block, and as soon as I saw that big nice rejection and we were sending the price higher, I just trailed my stop loss below this low, because at this point, guys, if the price is coming back down, it's coming back down to reverse, and it's going to take me out even if I have it at break even at the bottom of the at where my fill is. So this is a nice place to, or a nice level to put my trailed stop loss, just in case if the price is not going to my favor, it's going to take out this low. So that's what happened, and we ended up selling off from this level. And that, I mean, that's what it is. At the end of the day, for today was not really clean price action movement, and I did not really like it. Like going down or up, it's not the best. Let me show you the current price. So here's the current price action. That's what we did. We kind of like chopped up and down, even like, so the overall trend like from here to here was bearish. It did not deliver to the sell side liquidity cleanly. It was not clean. It had a lot of chop up and down, and I'm honestly, to be honest, 100% honest, guys, I'm honestly blessed to get out of today's price action with $73 of profit, and not even having my personal daily loss breach or reach today, just because I reached it yesterday. I reached my personal daily loss yesterday. So I was going to be honestly a little bit upset today at myself, but the price action did not help at all. Anyway, that was all for today's trade recap. So moving on to the yesterday's trading, I did also take a very stupid chase move, and I did lose my personal daily loss. And I don't recommend anyone of you guys doing that. I chased pretty bad, and I broke my rules, and I didn't follow my plan, and there was no setup to take, and I actually was upset at myself. So let me show you the trade that I took. It was right here. Well, first of all, we will also trading all-time high at this price, at this range, and we're reacting from bullish fair value gap on the 5 minutes, I believe, and we're pushing the price higher. So I did miss the first move of the trade, and I tried to chase to these equal highs up here. So I got on, let me show you the execution really quick. So I got on right, where is it at? Right here. So all right, so right here, so you can guys see it better. So I got long on these two candles, those two black candles, and it actually breached or hit my personal daily loss right at this, on this candle, because I was longing here. I was like 981 and 25 cents, which is like right here. So at the end of the move, guys, like at the end of the last the top of the move, and I was actually expecting the price to keep going higher to this equal high, and we eventually did, but the price was not the best, and I did not do a good job. I didn't follow my plan. I did not follow my rules, and I longed and chased the price way too high in premium, and you're not supposed to do that. And there was no setup in here, guys, and we ended up rejecting from this tiny bearish fair value gap and sending the price lower. This is really bad. Breaking my rules, not following my plan, and that what ended up happening is this is the consequence of not following the plan and not sticking to your rules. Here is a quick performance status. Yesterday I hit my personal daily loss, and today I just took kind of like a break-even trade, you can call it. I wouldn't call that a trade, because I did get stopped out, you can say, at break-even or so. But yeah, it's not bad. I'm still learning. I'm still not trying to give up, and if I can tell you one thing, guys, please follow your plan and your rules, and only take setups that actually as setups. Like, do not just jump in a trade just because you're just seeing a momentum candle going up or down. Just actually take proper setups, so if you lose, you're not upset and you're not chasing the price, or you don't get in trade and you get a rejection up or down and it goes against you immediately just because you hopped on in a momentum candle. Just follow your plan, guys, and just be patient. This is one thing I would tell myself, and no one is perfect. I'm still a beginner, I'm still learning. And overall, yes, I was upset at myself for not following the plans and my rules, but it is what it is. I'm learning, and we'll get better over time. I'll try my best to stick to my plan and my to take proper setups only. So I hope you guys do the same. I hope you guys are green. And if you're struggling, just to stick to your plan and your setups, guys, and don't let the market play with your emotions. That's all. Thank you all for watching. Have a nice night. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.